You need to ensure that only specific EC2 instances can access an S3 bucket. The solution must not expose the bucket to public access. What is the best way to achieve this? A. Use bucket policies with IP address whitelisting. B. Use IAM roles attached to the EC2 instances. C. Use bucket ACLs and manually configure permissions. D. Use VPC endpoints for S3 with security group restrictions. Correct answer, B. Use IAM roles attached to the EC2 instances. Explanation: attaching an IAM role to EC2 instances allows them to securely access the S3 bucket using temporary credentials, without exposing public access. Why not A? IP whitelisting is insecure and less flexible than IAM roles, especially for dynamic workloads. Why not C? Bucket ACLs are a legacy method and harder to manage compared to IAM policies and roles. Why not D? VPC endpoints secure traffic within a VPC but do not manage identity and access control as effectively as IAM roles.